Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I've got an update for you about Oluwo of Iwo. Oluwo of Iwo has just crowned his queen, Firdauz, the new wedded wife. Yes. The Oluwo of Iwo, Oba Rasheed Adewale Akanbi, is showing royal love, now as a gentle Oba, as a gentleman, to his new wedded wife, Firdauz. The monarch did not only stop there, he also penned down a short message of love to his wife. Firdauz necessitated crowning her as a queen in line with teaching of Oduduwa. He wrote, now listen to the message, to the love message. This is a message to you guys. Love your wife, okay? Now this is the message of the king to his queen. Every queen deserves a crown. My great progenitor Oduduwa taught me to love my queen by crowning her, and that's why Olokun, the wife of Oduduwa, was crowned. King Telu loves Queen Firdauz and he crowned her. Oh, so sweet. Arole Olodumare, Ash 1 in Yoruba land, Alashe Lori Orisha, Ash 1 in Yoruba Lord, Emperor Telu 1. Kábíyèsí o, kádé pẹ́ lórí kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Yes, we say kábíyèsí, kábíyèsí. Ẹ máa jayé lọ́jọ́. Kábíyèsí o. That's the message for you guys. Love your wife, okay? Crown her, call her your queen.